Hello friends, I present to your attention a strap mounting system for accessories. It has been designed for quick installation around the cylinder of a belly boat, float tube. The system is easy to install and remove. It does not leave any marks on the surface and does not loosen. The strap is made of textile tape with low elongation. Therefore, it retains the shape well and does not stretch or loosen. The range includes models with 1 or 2 universal accessory mounts. In addition to mounts and a strap, the assembly of each model includes buckles to fix the free edge and rigid adjustable strap holders. The 2 mounts of the system are installed on the float tube at the angle of 90 degrees, which is convenient, for example, for fixing a fishfinder plate and a transducer holder. The main parts are made of fiberglass-reinforced polyamide, which provides additional reliability of the product due to its high strength. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I am their creator, inspirer, and active user.